Amish farming, part two. The Amish are objectively speaking not good farmers, and yet American homesteaders, back to the landers, and organic farmers all emulate them in doing a bunch of bad stuff. So let's just take a look. Oh, look, this looks like a nice pastoral scene here. Oh, of course, we could also say that what you're looking at here, even though it's done with a horse-drawn carriage, is all a bunch of tillage agriculture, which we know destroys soil, causes erosion, causes carbon pollution to the atmosphere, and basically is completely unsustainable. What's Bro doing out there anyway? It looks like he is, oh, that's right, spraying pesticides and herbicides like a madman. Because yes, indeed, the Amish do use pesticides and herbicides, in a lot of cases at a higher rate than industrial agriculturalists do. And what else do we got going on here? Oh yeah, look right in here. We got lots of plastic mulch. Look at that stuff all ripping in there too. This is that thin grade plastic mulch. This breaks down really easily. Scientists are warning this is an ecological disaster in progress. It's happening here. Also, that causes microplastics. The microplastics can easily be taken up into crops like the kale here, and then we eat them. Also, they're known to secrete phthalates, which cause endocrine problems, all sorts of like immune issues, even problems with our brains. Not good shit. Oh, another Amish farm covered in plastic and big swaths of land in between the rows. Very inefficient use of land that could probably fit this whole garden into a size, maybe a quarter of the size here. This is probably like, you know, a 2 or 3 acre garden. It could probably all fit into 1,000 square feet. More long swaths of plastic. And of course, you know, the Amish plant in big old monocultures, just like anybody else. Of course, these require fertilizers, they require pesticides and herbicides. Pretty much Amish farming is exactly the same as industrial farming, only with horses. That's right. In some cases, they still even use fossil fuels to do it. When we're talking about animal agriculture, they can often treat the animals very inhumanely. They run puppy mills and things like that, and they blind their horses. And when it comes to animal systems, they're not much better. They still like pump them full of antibiotics, use all sorts of chemicals and stuff like that, feed them non-organic and GMO crops, load them up with pesticides and herbicides from those crops, microplastics, all that. And yet we got dudes on social media who literally just came from the city a few years ago, and they're dressing like Amish people to sell, you know, farming and gardening classes to you. Some bullshit.